Y'all, currently in Chicago, it's getting, I would say, pretty warm, of course, before it goes back to like 30 degrees and freezing. I just wanted to take a quick moment to say how right I was about this. The weather is absolutely atrocious right now, literally a week after filming this video. But right now, I'm kind of feeling like some sort of like sweet summery dessert, and I happen to just have a whole lot of bananas lying around because I don't really know how to buy correctly for the amount of people in my household. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some frozen peanut butter chocolate bananas that like look really fancy but are so easy to make, and they're perfect and so refreshing on a nice summer's day. I hope you enjoy!
So the first thing that I did is I put my bananas in the freezer after I took off the peel for about 2 hours. This ensures that they're nice and frozen before I put all like the warm chocolate peanut butter on them. The next thing I did is I put way too much peanut butter in a bowl. I was like, I'm going to use all this peanut butter. I absolutely did not, but I put about half a cup, but honestly you can use just a quarter. And I used some chocolate that I just had on hand. Honestly, you do not need to use fancy chocolate. I just used some that I just had left over for my birthday, and then I put them in the microwave. I checked in every 30 seconds and I just stirred everything around. As you can see, my peanut butter was done before my chocolate, so I just put my chocolate back in for another 30 seconds and about like a minute in total. And then I took out my bananas that had been freezing for about 2 hours, and I used like a fork to spread my peanut butter and chocolate over each banana. Then I realized, who am I kidding? I love peanut butter, so I decided to add a whole bunch more to the top before adding just like a sprinkle of salt just to enhance a little bit of the flavor. And then I put them back in my freezer for about like another 2 hours. This is kind of how they looked. As you can see, like the chocolate and peanut butter just stayed on. And I cut them in half, and then I just put them in a container just because I didn't want them now, but I just love having them just in my fridge for later. Just footage of me eating them just a day later.
One of my favorite things about this recipe is I can simply just make it in bulk and just pull out a banana every once in a while when I like it. And like I said, it is so fancy to make. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found some value. Please feel free to like and comment, and join me on the next one. I hope you have a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. Goodbye!